85. The Tale of Iluna. In a garden where sunlight painted the petals of roses, sunflowers, and daisies, a lone flower bloomed under the silvery gaze of the moon. This was Iluna, a young moonbloom with petals as delicate as stardust, and a fragrance that sighed her soft secrets to the moonlight. The roses unfolded their petals at dawn. The sunflowers stretched towards the sky at noon, and the daisies danced in the breeze at dusk. But Iluna felt different. She sensed that her own beauty was tied to the mystery of the night, and that her petals unfurled under the gentle light of the moon. The other flowers, with their sun-kissed petals and vibrant colours, looked at Iluna with curiosity and confusion. They had never seen a moonbloom before, and they couldn't help her, for they themselves would never understand. They bloomed in the sun, their beauty tied to the warmth and light of the day. Iluna, on the other hand, bloomed in the moon, her essence woven into the mystery and magic of the night. Two different worlds, two different realities. As the days passed, Iluna found herself wandering the garden, searching for a sense of place among the sun-kissed blooms. She'd watched the way the light danced through the petals of the roses, and the way the sunflowers stood tall, their bright yellow faces forever turned towards the sky. But no matter how hard she tried, Iluna couldn't shake the feeling that she didn't quite fit. Her petals, delicate and pale, seemed to glow with an otherworldly light, and her fragrance, sweet and heady, was like nothing else in the garden. She began to wonder if she was a mistake, a bloom that had somehow gotten lost in the wrong garden under the wrong sun. One fateful night, when the moon hung low and full in the sky, Iluna felt an inexplicable restlessness. She had wandered the garden for what felt like an eternity, searching for a sense of belonging that always seemed just out of reach. Tired of walking circles around the same trodden paths, Iluna yearned for something more. She sensed it, a whispered promise that lingered just beyond the edge of her perception. And so, with a gentle rustle of petals, Iluna set out into the night, letting the moon's silvery light guide her. It was then that she stumbled upon a hidden path, overgrown with vines and shrubs, yet shimmering with an otherworldly allure. The leaves parted as she touched them, revealing a winding trail that beckoned her forward. With a sense of wonder and trepidation, Iluna followed the path, her petals unfolding like wings as she walked into the unknown. As she journeyed deeper into the forest, the trees grew taller, their branches tangled with glittering silver threads. The air was filled with a sweet scent of blooming moonblooms, their delicate petals swaying in the moon's gentle breeze. Iluna's heart skipped a beat as she caught sight of the first moon bloom. She felt a jolt of surprise, followed by a wave of elation that threatened to overwhelm her. Tears of joy pricked at the corners of her eyes as she realized she had finally found her tribe, the moonblooms. They were just like her, with petals that shone like moonlight and fragrances that whispered secrets to the night. Iluna felt a deep sense of belonging, as if she had finally come home to a place she never knew existed. With a sense of wonder, she reached out to a petal to touch the delicate bloom beside her. Among the moonblooms, Iluna discovered that her uniqueness was not a curse, but a blessing. Her light was not just a reflection of the moon, but a beacon that illuminated the path for others. Her fragrance was not just a sweet scent, but a reminder of the magic that lay just beyond the edge of her everyday world. As Iluna danced among the moonblooms, her petals shimmering with an ethereal radiance, she felt the very fabric of reality shift and weave around her. The stars twinkled in rhythm with her footsteps, and the moonbeams swirled around her like a celestial cloak. In this mystical realm, Iluna found her true self, her true voice, and her true place in the world. Among the moonblooms, where magic was woven into the very essence of her existence.